It's not just an issue, it's kind of a scam. So if you're living in Denmark as a Muslim, you should know about this. I'm not saying everyone does it, very few people does it, but they do it. इस इंसान की मुझे समझ नहीं आती है, बारिश में कौन घास काटता है, वो भी कोई हल्की बारिश नहीं हो रही है, पता नहीं क्या है, एकदम से बारिश में जो है जनाब घास काट रहे हैं, लाइक रियली। हेलो एवरीवन, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे आप सब लोग सब ठीक हो गए? अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सब ठीक ठाक है। इफ यू न्यू टू माय चैनल, वेलकम टू धनिक दुनिया। एंड इफ यू नॉट सब्सक्राइब yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, like, share, let me know, कमेंट करके भी आपको कैसा लगा, एंड टर्न ऑन द बेल आइकन से कि वीडियो अपलोड की नोटिफिकेशन जो है मिलती रहे। आज है ईद का दूसरा दिन, तो आप सबको बहुत 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 ईद मुबारक। और बारिश हो रही है, काफ़ी तेज़ होना शुरू हो गई है। और जैसे कि आप लोगों ने देखा कि जनाब जो है बारिश में घास काट रहे हैं और गीले हुए जा रहे हैं। और लास्ट टाइम जब हम बारिश में नहा रहे थे तब तो हमारे साथ नहाना नहीं था बारिश में, तो अब क्यों बारिश में घास काट रहे हैं? और बल्कि अब तो पहले से ज़्यादा ठंड है। लाइक समझ नहीं आती है कि कहाँ से बंदा ये क्या सोचता है। चलो घास तो मेरी कटी गई है, क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम जब काट रहा था तो पूरा काम नहीं हुआ पाया था, काम पूरा नहीं हुआ पाया था क्योंकि थोड़ा बिजी थे। बट अब वो पूरा कर रहा है काम, वो भी ठीक है, लेकिन बारिश में क्या दुख है। I really wanted to talk to you guys about one issue that as we have been through here in Denmark. So I really thought and I felt that I should share that experience with you guys, so that especially people who are living in Denmark, so they know about this issue and then they can be careful. It's not just an issue, it's kind of a scam. So if you're living in Denmark as a Muslim, you should know about this. I'm not saying everyone does it, very few people does it, but they do it. If it can happen here in Esbjerg, it can happen here in Jutland, then it can also happen if in Copenhagen or Aarhus or Odense. So you have to be, guys, careful. Actually the thing is, I uploaded a video 2 days ago, I think Chandra's video day before. So someone asked me what about qurbani, and I was like, yeah. Then I realized that this is an issue that I cannot just keep it to myself, our experience. I have to share it with all of you. I have to tell you guys what we went through, because as you guys know that I did said last week in my vlogs, I think it was Friday maybe or Saturday or Sunday, I don't remember, but I shared with you that we have booked and order for our lamb for qurbani. And then when we called the person where we ordered, actually we ordered through a friend because he speaks Arabic, through Zakaria, because he speaks the guy whom we ordered from, that guy speaks Arabic. So we thought he doesn't speak good English or Danish, and so that he can understand properly the message, what we want to tell him, what we want to ask, whatever is there, so it can done in Arabic, so that the conversation and the message is clear, there is no obstacles. But then what happened was that I asked, can you call and confirm that is everything all good, is the order in place and no issue with the order. So the way they replied, they said, yeah, everything is good, no issue, and we have booked the lamb on this person's name, and since we slaughtered day before, he accidentally, actually that guy blabbered it out that they slaughter the lamb before Eid, like when it's Chandra. And if you want to have lamb for qurbani, then it has to be done after Eid prayer, only then it will be considered qurbani lamb. Otherwise, if it's before Eid prayer, then it is just as a normal lamb, so it is not considered qurbani lamb. So no, we don't want this. Then he told us, and obviously we also did not want it, so we cancelled the order, because he saw my husband Yahya, he's a foreigner, and he thought that okay, maybe we can cheat maybe, or we don't have to tell that we do it a day before. And when we were trying to cancel the order, he was saying that but it happens in many places, it happens, or in Denmark it happens that you slaughter day before and it's not an issue. But guys, it is an issue, and I think it's a scam. it's a total scam that they're doing, especially to their Muslim brothers and sisters who go there who go to these slaughterhouses or to these bazaars, or with the trust that when they want a certain thing, when they want a lamb for, especially for qurbani, then they trust them to have, that it is a qurbani meat. So and when they're selling you, then we trust them that it is that. But thank God, I would say, like, alhamdulillah, that this happened, and we found out on time that it is not qurbani, it is just a normal slaughter that they do. And yeah, and it's bad, guys, it's very bad. And because of this, on this Eid, we could not do qurbani, because obviously, as I said, we had ordered, but thank God we hadn't paid. So when we canceled the order, then it was not issue of returning the money or anything. But yes, we couldn't do the qurbani because of this. So I'm not saying it happens everywhere, because we contacted Imam here near our place, and Imam also said that don't go to this place, go to this person instead, that person does it properly, how it's supposed to be. So there must have been, obviously, other cases also, not just this, and Imam must have known this situation, so that's why he told us to go somewhere else. And I'm not gonna take any names or any place name or any specific, but I just want to make this video for your own information. As an influencer, as a YouTuber, I feel it's my duty that if I have experienced something, then I should come and talk to you about it and tell you about it, that this is how this is happening at some places, or in some countries, or in some situations. So be aware of it. Like now here in Denmark, this lamp thing scam, that they in some places, again I will say this again, that not everywhere in Denmark, at some places they are doing this. So you have to be careful that when you are going to order a qurbani lamb, then you have to be careful and ask them and be sure about it, that it is what it is. They are sacrificing it after Eid prayer, not before Eid day. So yeah, this is something that I really felt that you should know, and especially people who are living in Denmark, Muslims living in Denmark, they should know about this and they should be careful about it. This was our first experience. We had never ordered from this place before, so since it was closer to us, so we thought, what, let's try this, because they have halal meat, so they must have also then qurbani, arrangements for qurbani. But yeah, thank God that we found out somehow, though he accidentally blabbered it out of his mouth. The word just came out of his mouth. He was not meant to say it, but he did. So yeah, so we are alhamdulillah, thankful about it, very thankful about it, that we did not end up in this scam, and we were saved. But obviously our qurbani was we couldn't do it. That's another thing. But yes, from now on we know that where to go and where not to go. And yes, again I'll say this, that I am making this video just for your information, so that and you can be aware of this situation, that when you are going to in Denmark, if you want to do qurbani, and you want if you go to some place, to some slaughterhouse, to book your lamb on your name for qurbani, a lamb or cow or whatever, so you have to be careful and be sure of it, that it is done after Eid, not day before. So this is it, and here इसी के साथ जो मैं ये वीडियो यहीं पे ख़त्म करती हूँ, and I'll see you guys in my next video with another vlog, with another day. Till then, Allah Hafiz, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Dhanak की दुनिया. खुश रहिए, प्यार बांटिए.